Hello, my name is Micha from Soji. Today I will be guiding you through the process of rubbing the tape and the protective aluminum tube on the connectors for LIGO sensors. We would like to make this video because we heard some feedbacks from our clients about incorrect connector rubbing during installation. This affects the sensor durability and performance. So, rubbing the tape and installing the protective aluminum tube on the connectors, though simple, but it's very crucial and compulsory. Before we start, let's ensure we have all the necessary tools: electrical tape, protective aluminum tube, the cable tie, scissors and pliers, and of course a LIGO sensor with 7-meter cable. Now let's start. There are 5 steps. Step 1. Insert the aluminum tube through the signal cable connector. Hold the tube and slowly slide it through the connector head. Then connect to the connectors together. Step 2. Rub tightly around the connector. Use the tape to rub from one end to the other of the connector. Like this. Ensuring that it is fully covered. You can rub it one more time for better protection. Use scissors to cut it. Yes, like this. Step 3. Install the aluminum tube onto the connector. Step 4. Insert the cable tie through the 4 holes of the aluminum tube. Step 5. Seal it. And use scissors and cut it. You need to note, gently pull the protective tube and connector to check the stability. If everything is secure, you are done. We have finished wrapping the tape and installing the aluminum tube for the connectors. This simple step effectively protects your equipment from mud, water, dirt, or acid. For more questions, kindly contact Soji Electronics via our website or hotline. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.